Wanted to talk to you guys about getting rid of a Norcold RV refrigerator, and I'm halfway taking it out. As you can see, I did have some issues with there were some bolts on the bottom. It's been sitting for a week also, almost. I got that and that. Those are 4 screws. Right here, took them all out. I'm halfway going, halfway getting it out. The problem is that on the bottom of the refrigerator, see these right here? Look at the nail. It sits on this piece right here. So what I had to do is lean it to the front. Lean the refrigerator to the front, and I had to put a piece of wood on the outside. It's a mess right now. I'm gonna get that refrigerator back on. See, I put this wood under. Put it on the refrigerator. Like that. Then pushed on it and it came right up.